After it was revealed during a Senate hearing yesterday that a former Philippine National Police or PNP chief was on the take and actually aided dismissed Banban Mayor Alice Guo in escaping, upper chamber lawmakers reacted and gave their own takes on the implication of such an allegation if proven true. Daniel Manalastas has more.
Meron pa bang ibang mga di umanong sinuhulan? Meron pa bang additional amounts na pinag-uusapan?
May pinag-usapan na yung sa border immigration. Hindi ko lang alam, ma'am, yung exact amount, including PNP officials. Pero hindi ko pa rin ma-confirm yun, ma'am. Kasi I'm outside of the loop lately, ma'am, because we're busy right now helping the law enforcement agencies running after the illegal POGOs in the countryside or in the provinces.
Alin pong PNP units ang binabanggit sa usap-usapan? Kasama din ba sa usap-usapan na itong alleged former chief PNP ay tinulungan ng kahit sino sa mga kasalukuyang government officials natin sa usapin ng pagtakas ni Guo Huaping?
Ang parang usapan dun, ma'am, parang nasa payroll, yung monthly payroll. I think it was mentioned the former chief PNP.
After this revelation from a PAGCOR official during the Senate hearing on illegal POGOs yesterday, a number of senators expressed concern as a named former PNP chief has been dragged into the fray, putting the entire police force on edge. For Senator Risa Hontiveros, this is both a peace and order and national security concern, saying this is unacceptable given a former government official who swore to protect the people instead has allegedly sold himself out to be an instrument and tool for alleged POGO crimes. Senator Ronald De La Rosa, a former PNP chief himself, shared recent exchanges in their chat group where he said some of his retired counterparts voiced their concerns.
Yun ang gusto nila klaruhin kung sino yung involved, hindi pa validated ang informasyon, hindi pa confirm, ipapalabas ka agad. So what if kung hindi ma-validate talaga yan? Sira na yung pangalan former chief PNP. Di ba? Sira na. Lahat kami. Galing doon.
The PNP also found an ally in Senators Jinggoy Estrada and Bong Revilla.
Alam nyo, unfair yata sa police organization o sa Philippine National Police in general. Siguro pwede nyo nang pangalanan kung sino itong mga police na na under the monthly payroll.
Ganyang allegations.
Siyempre, papagdududahan ng lahat unfair yun. Dapat talaga ilutang nila kung sino yan.
Senate Minority Leader Coco Pimentel said the intel report which was made public is too raw, saying this is at a level of gossip. Senator Hontiveros Camp meanwhile announced next week's Senate hearing could well be curtains for the probe and on to the next chapter, which is the hearing on allegations against Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.